today's program, Apple Judges, friend and all my dear audience. It gives me great pleasure to speak on lack of direction, not lack of time is the problem. We all have 24 hours a day. Before I speak on this motivational by Zig Ziglar, I would like to quote some influential individuals. First one is Time is Money by Benjamin Franklin, emphasizing how time like money is a valuable resource that should be used wisely. Second one is Lost Time is Never Found Again by Benjamin Franklin, a reminder that once time passes, it cannot be recovered. Third one is You May Delay But Time Will Not by Benjamin Franklin, an acknowledgement that time continues to move forward regardless our action. These quotes capture the essence of time as an invaluable finite resource that should be managed wisely to lead fulfilling and productive life. Dear friend, this is thought-provoking by the legendary Zig Ziglar. Lack of direction, not lack of time is the problem. We all have 24 hours a day. How many times have we found ourselves overwhelmed by the demand of our busy schedule? Confined that we simply don't have enough time to accomplish everything. We often say if only I had more hours in the day or I am just too busy to get anything done. But Ziglar's first challenge this common belief. What if the real issue is not time at all but our direction? What if the key to our coming the feeling of being busy to lies in understanding where we are actually headed? Time, as Ziglar reminds us, is a universal resource. Every single person has the same 24 hours in the day. The difference between those who achieve their goal and those who struggle to make progress is not how much time they have, but how they could choose to use it. If we don't have a clear direction, we might spend our time running in circles, accomplishing little and feeling like we have been busy all day. Think about it. When you know where are you going, when you have a clear goal, time becomes more focused, intentional and productive. You are able to prioritize the things that are truly better to make the progress toward your objective. But when you are unsure about your direction, time slips away as you become distracted by unrelated tasks or simply react to the demand of the day. So how do we get clear on our direction? It starts by setting a specific meaningful goal and breaking them down to smaller and manageable steps. Take the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and use the clarity to guide your decisions and actions. It might also involve saying no to distraction, avoiding time-wasting habits and staying focused on your vision. Dear audience, once you identify where are you going, time becomes an ally, helping you move steadily toward your dreams with purpose and focus. The 24 hours in your day become powerful tool for success. Thank you for your time listening to my speech. Thank you so much.